Welcome to the demo of MiClient. In our last sessions, we have already understood about logging into the software and navigating through our dashboard. We have also gone through creating our masters, like how do we create clients and how do we upload Excel sheets for that, along with creating services. Today, we are going to understand the most important prospect or the most important bit of the software, MiClient, which is managing your proposals. So as you might see that I already have some data because I have been doing proposal management and using MiClient to send and receive proposals, get them to be accepted by my client, manage the entire client onboarding experience and give them a better improved experience of dealing with the service provider pre-sales side of things, so that we can get more conversions, we can increase our sales numbers. Yeah, so let's see how we create proposals. So all you need to do is on the proposal screen you click on new proposal and you give it a good name, like maybe accounting services for new client, whatever you want to give it a name. Then we also have a billing entity option, so you can select the billing entity you want. You can set it up under settings and company settings. The member name will automatically appear because you are logged in, so your member name will automatically appear. If you have multiple names, those names can also be set up in teams and users, and they will also appear here. You just need to put in some start date and some end date of the proposal. You also have a optional feature for expiry date in case you want to, kind of limit your client to accept it within a particular period. You can opt for that. Then you just need to select the name of your client. Accordingly, it will bring all the details, his contact details, his location and everything. You can also upload some attachments if you have like a company profile, or if you just want to browse and select some kind of a presentation you want to give them, or a PDF file, or whatever kind of a format, or a video you want to attach with that email, you can just attach it from here. Now we already have some default services which we have already added in the system. In case you want, you can create your own services, or you can edit the ones which are already there according to your need. You can edit the billing frequency, you can edit the amount, you can select the agent who will be assigned for this task, and you can also have multiple line items on the same proposal, right? Once everything is set up, you can have some kind of a description if you want about your services. This is the service description for all my services. So all those sort of things can be done and updated. That's it. You can also select the tags in case that's applicable. If you don't want, you can remove the tags as well. Totally depends on you. Now you can either send it directly to your client or save it and then send it on a later time in case you want to review it. So all the proposals which you save will appear in your draft section. Like I just created this one. It's appearing here. At a later point of time, if I want, I can directly send it or even edit and then send it. Okay, totally depends on me. And then as soon as I send the draft, it gets delivered to my client instantly. My client will get a mail, my client will get a message that you have received a proposal, and my drafted proposal moved from draft and it came to awaiting acceptance. Now I know that my client is having a look at the proposal and he's trying to understand that how is it going to work. Okay, so that's how it works. In case you just want to see a preview of how your client will see it, you can click on this, and this is how your client is going to see the proposal. So the first page we have kept it for your branding, your logo, your company name, your company details, everything. The second page we have kept it for all the service details you want. And in the third page, that's the most important page, your client can accept the proposal and sign it. So that's the most